Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to transfer photo or video to SD card on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So simply you need to just take card reader, SD card and converter. So at first put in your SD card, big or small SD card, and connect. Okay, this is a type C connector and just put in. Okay, and open my file apps. So you can now successfully connect this. When I'm put out, then remove and connect, then it's connected. Okay, when it's connect, you just easily transfer photo or video. So like I'm open my internal storage, select photo or video, click on to move, press on USB storage. If you want to create new folder, press on, click on create, select, and finally press on move here. Okay, now it's transferred. Now I'm checking. So you can now successfully transfer photo or video.